Hello everyone, I welcome you all to KRFM CBSE School Moodle online classes. So, in previous class we discussed second problem of exercise 5.1. So today I will continue with third problem of exercise 5.1 only. So here in problem 3, what they have given? Exercise 5.1 only. So in that third problem, the weekly wages of 30 workers, they are given in rupees. Weekly wages of the workers, 30 workers in factory are. So weekly salary of workers in factory, they are given in rupees. So 30 workers means they are given 30 numbers here. List of 30 workers salary, weekly salary or weekly wages they are given here. In page number 76, I am not going to write this list. Means they are given list of salary or weekly wages of 30 workers. So here they are given in page number 76 of exercise 5.1, third problem. Refer that problem, page number 76. So now they are given salary of 30 students. So using tally marks, make frequency table with the intervals as 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. So we have to create frequency table. Create one frequency table with the class interval 800 to 810 and 810 to 820. They are given here salary as 830, 835, 890, 810 and so on. So now we will create one frequency table for this by considering the interval 800 and 800 to 810, 810 to 820. So here problem number 3, frequency table we have to construct. So here first we will consider interval. How they are given here interval? In problem only they have mentioned that consider interval as 800 to 810 and 820 to 810 to 820 and so on. So here in this given list, what is the highest salary or weekly wages? So up to 890 is there. So I will consider up to 900. Like this only, 800 to first what is the interval? 800 to 810. So first I will consider 800 to 810, next 810 to 820, 830 to 840, 840 to 850, next 860, here I will write 810 to 820, 820 to 830, 830 to 840, 840 to 850. Because we know that interval of size of the interval is 10, 800 to 810, 810 to 820 they have given, and so on means 820 to 830, 830 to 840, like that only it continues. 850 to 860, 860 to 870, 870 to 80, 880 to 890, last one 890 to 900. Next, this is tally marks, and last one number of workers, or we can write here wages in rupees. here I will write number of workers. And here for this interval you can write wages in rupees. So now in page number 76 they are given list of salaries in problem number 3. So first count salary between 800 to 810. How many number of workers are there? 800 to 810. Count the number. What you will get? 800 to 810. Number of workers 3. The number of workers who are getting salary between 800 to 810 is 3. So now tally mark 1, 2, 3. So now number of workers getting wages between 810 to 820. So again count the salary list where the number is between 810 to 810 to 820. How many numbers are there? We'll get 2 only. Here I will write directly 2. So tally marks. Now 820 to 830. Search in that list what they are given in textbook page number 76. 820 to 830, it is 1. Numbers between 820 to 830 is 1. So in tally mark also it is 1. Now 830 to 840. 830 to 840, 9 numbers are there. Between 830 to 840, 9 number of workers are getting wages between 830 to 840. So here I will write 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 840 to 850. 840 to 850. How many numbers are there? Between 840 to 850, 5. So here I will write 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 840 to 850, 5. Next 850 to 860, 1. Is 1. Here also 1. Now 860 to 870. Count the numbers between 860 to 870. What you will get? 860 to 870, 3. So here we will get 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Next between 870 to 880. How much you will get? 1. Here also 1. Next 880 to 890. 880 to 890, 1. Here also we will get 1. Next 890 to 900. How many numbers are there? 4. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the frequency table for the given information or data. So now here you can cross check 3 plus how many number of workers are there. So they are given salary of 30 workers, weekly wages. So you should get here 30 only. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 1 21, 21 plus 3 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 plus 1 26, 26 plus 4 30. So what they are given? Salary or wages of weekly wages of 30 number of workers in a factory. Therefore we should get here total 30 only. So here we got total 30. So here in last row write total equals to, in last row below 4 We should write here 30. And again another thing. So here, if one worker is getting salary between 810, sorry, if the worker is getting salary of 810 for 1 week, then where you should represent him, 810 should be considered in this group only, between 810 to 820 only. Listen carefully. If one worker is getting salary 810 rupees for 1 week, where to consider him? Here also 810 is there, 800 to 810, and here in second group also it is between 810 to 850. Means in both group 810 is there, but here we should consider in second group only. Means from 810 to 820 only. Like that only, if one worker is getting salary of 820 rupees, then where to consider him? Here it is between 810 to 820. Like this only, here also it is 820 to 830. Here also 820 is there, here also 820 is there. But where to consider salary of 820 rupees? We should consider him here only, in third group. So we should consider lower limit. This is the upper limit, this is lower limit. Therefore 820 to 830 should be considered, and so on. If the salary is 830, we should consider between 830 to 840 only. So if you consider like that only, what you will get? Between 800 to 810, three numbers are there, three number of workers are there. Like that only, between 810 to 820, two number of workers are there. Like that only it continues. Total number of workers are 30. If you add all these numbers, what you will get? What you should get? 30 only. So this is the third problem. And in fourth problem, what they are given? In third problem, they ask to create frequency table only. Now in fourth problem, what they are given? Draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question 3. So here in question number 4, what they are given, we have to draw one histogram for the frequency table which is made for the data given in third problem. So for this answer, we have to draw one histogram and answer the following question. So first we will create or draw one histogram for this frequency table. By using that, they have given some questions, so we can answer that. First, to create histogram, first I will draw one graph here. Here, this is question number 4. So this shows number of workers. This axis shows, this y-axis shows number of workers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the next value here? 9. So here I will represent up to 9 numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9. So here wages, salary wages for weekly, what they are given here? 800 interval, 800 to 810, 820, like that only up to 900 we have considered here. So now we will consider here, this is weekly wages of workers. Of workers. So now here it is 0. First, it starts from 800 to 810. So here I will write 800 to 810. Here 820. Here in the place of 820, I will write only 20 only. So consider it as 820. But here I have written 800 and sorry. Here I have written 20. Means 820 only. Next 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Next 80, 90, 100. Here 90. Last one 100 means 900 here. Because 800, 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 60, 70, 80, 90, 900. Last one is 900. So now, so the salary or weekly wages between 800 to 810. How many numbers of workers? 3. So here 3 means here I should consider 800 to 810. Number of workers 3 here. So here 800 to 810. Number of workers 3. Like that only between 810 to 820, 2. So here I will consider 2 between 810 to 820. Now 820 to 830, 1. So 820 to 830, it is 1. So it is 2, it is 1. Next 830 to 840, it is 9. So now I should consider 9 between 830 to 840. So 9 means where it is here. Is 9. Next, between 840 to 850, number of workers 5. Where it is 5. So here I will consider this is 5. Next, 850 to 860, 1. 850 to 860, it is 1 means here I will consider 850 to 860, 1. Next, 860 to 870, 3. So here I will consider 3. Between 860 to 870, it is 3. Next, 870 to 880, it is 1. 870 to 880 is 1 here. Like that only 880 to 890, again it is 1 here. So again 1. Next 890 to 900, number of workers 4. So here 4, I should consider 4. It is 4. So this is the histogram. Here this row indicates weekly wages of the workers, and this indicates number of workers. This axis indicates, here you should write number of workers. This is how to draw histogram with the help of frequency division table. So this is the fourth problem. So on this only again they have given some questions. In fourth main only, first question, which group has maximum number of workers? Here, which group has maximum number of workers? Here 9 has the highest value. 9 is the highest value. So here, which group it is? Between 830 to 840. So here also we can check here. 9 is the highest value. It is between 830 to 840. So for first question in fourth main, what you can answer? Here I will write first question of fourth main. Which group has maximum number of workers? Between 830 830 to 840. This group has maximum number of workers because 9 number of workers are there. Next, how many workers earn 850 and more? So here, how many workers, you should write how many workers earn more than 850. 850 or more than 850. So here, from 840 to 850. So more than 850 means here, from here we have to consider 850 to 860 means 850 and more means we should consider from 850 and 850 to 860, like that only, up to 860 to 870, 870 to 880, like that only, up to 890 to 900. So first 850 to 860, how much? How many numbers of workers are there? 1. So here I will write for second problem 1, and 860 to 870 3 plus next 1, it is between 870 to 880 plus 1, like that from the 880 to 890 again 1 plus 890 to 900 4. So how much will we get? 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10. So what they have asked here, how many workers earn 850 and more? So here we have considered 850 to 860 and means 850 or more than 850, from 850 to 900. So we consider all these numbers from 850 to 860 here, from 1 to here 3 1 1 4. So 10 number of workers earn rupees 850 and more is the answer for second. Next, third question, how many workers earn less than 850 rupees? How many workers earn less than 850 rupees means here up to 840 to 850 we have to consider, from 800 to 810. So here for third question, up to here 850 or less than 850 means here up to 840 to 850. So here it is 3 means it is between 800 to 810, which is less than 850 only. So 3 next plus 2, it is between 810 to 820. So again it is less than 850 only. So next plus 1, like that only I will write directly, plus 1 plus 9 plus 5. This is the last because it is between 840 to 850. They are asking less than 850 rupees. So this is the last number. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 5 20. What you got? 20. Okay. So 20 workers earn less than 850 rupees is the answer. So you can check here. So more than 850 rupees 10 members are there, less than 850 rupees 20 members are there. If you add these two values 20 plus 10, how much will you get? 30 only. Total number 30. So both the answers are correct. And first question, what is that? Which group has more number of workers? 9. Between 830 to 840. Here also and here also you can check it. 830 to 840. So this is how to solve third and fourth problems. So based on the given information or data, we have to construct this frequency table, and with the help of this frequency table or given data in fourth question, we have to draw this histogram. This is called as histogram, and based on this histogram, they ask some simple 3 questions, and after that we can solve fifth problem. This is also simple, like previous problems only. Try to solve these problems, this problem, mainly fifth problem only. They have asked again 3 simple problems based on the graph they have given in textbook. If you got any doubt, you can contact me. Try to solve the fifth problem. So in next class, I will discuss about circle graph or pie chart. Okay, I hope you all are clear with third and fourth problems. Thank you all.